Really? Oh, never fails. Oh, get it together, girl. Get it together.
People are watching.
Hi, Sugar Cookies. Thanks for joining me. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching a food, fashion, and lifestyle channel. Are you a little stumped on making a holiday dinner? You want to make something that's budget friendly? No money for prime rib, no money for a salmon dinner, no money for pasteles. Don't panic, I've got you. We're going to be making a delicious chicken thigh dinner that is impressive, budget friendly,
Delicious.
and easy to prepare with easy to find ingredients. Grab a snack, come on back, and tell your friends, hey, Cookie the Lifestyle
Is on.
Chicken thighs are something that a lot of people enjoy. Unfortunately, I made the mistake and I picked up the skinless chicken thighs. I prefer the bone-in chicken thighs, for one, because it's my husband's favorite. Number two, because it holds its shape a lot better. Nonetheless, we're gonna work with what we got. I preheated my oven to 350 and we're gonna bake the chicken thighs between 35 to 45, even an hour. Everything varies on your own oven and cooking time and bakeware, keep that in mind. This is a beautiful holiday dinner that is easy to compose and it's very impressive. Your friends are gonna be like, oh my goodness, can you call the Food Network? What? Food Network calling? I'm coming, hold on.
Wait, let me grab my spoon. I'm coming.
Meet the cast members of this recipe. Washed cranberries, fresh rosemary, a halved and washed and de-seeded jalapeno, 40 cloves of garlic. Yes, 40 cloves of garlic. You'll see why I need it. Purple onion, maple syrup. We have a Bell's poultry season that does not have any salt in it. Some Dijon moutarde. The W of the Worcestershire sauce, red wine vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, fine green beans. I got those at Aldi. I pulled out my Big Bertha. I have skinless, boneless chicken thighs that I've washed in vinegar and patted dry. And then I have my skillet already preheated. This is the consistency of the paste that you'll want. Mix it around, push things down, and then move back, Cookie, focus, and let me be great. That's the consistency. Isn't that beautiful? These frozen pearl onions have already rendered out. a lot of the liquid. All right, sugar cookies, get ready to get your clean hands dirty. The Dijon mustard, you're gonna add this to taste. Now, if you must have measurements, let's say 2 tablespoons, this is going to add a nice tartness and help the chicken just, be a little more tender, add a little tang, and it's also gonna help the spices stick to the thighs. I'm gonna add the W sauce as much as your heart tells you to. I'm just gonna add, for measurement's sake, again, 2 tablespoons. Some poultry seasoning, some Bell's poultry seasoning. This does not have any salt, so you can apply this as liberal as you want. This imparts such a delicious holiday-ish, I say flavor. It has marjoram, thyme, I think oregano, sage, rosemary, and it just has some really, really, really good flavors in there. No sugar, no salt. And like I said, you can be liberal with this. And then I'm going to add my, my house blend seasoning. I call it SAZON seasoning, but it's not SAZON, it's my house blend. I have a video on that, but I think I'm gonna update it to make it a little less complicated because I don't use all the same ingredients as I did on my previous video, which happens to be listed on my recipe playlist. So I'm gonna sprinkle this. Now this does contain sea salt, so I am going to sprinkle it carefully as you see here. And then I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm going to also add the paste as you see, and then later on you're going to see me top it off with some maple syrup. It's going to be delicious. Sounds weird, but delicious. If hands on meat gets you a little squeamish, then just put on some gloves, no problem there, but you do need to mix this and incorporate this well into the chicken. Isn't that beautiful? This paste marinates very well and the chicken grabs it really fast. In the same dry skillet with all that beautiful brown fond onion flavor, I'm gonna add my green beans to this and whisk them just like that. You ready for the sizzle? Here we go. Love that sound, baby. Are you a sizzler? Because I'm a sizzler. Ooh. Easy, effective way to add flavor to your green beans. Absolutely delicious. Try this and let me know how you like it. Sugar cookies, this has nothing to do with the video. However, I just wanted to share with you what a wonderful husband I have. I asked him to run an errand for me at the supermarket and he came back with that, and then some of these. Does your husband do stuff like that? Or even show up with random bouquets of flowers? I love that man of mine. This is why I reserved the cranberries, the caramelized pearl onions, and the garlic to add to the dish before baking. Notice that in the same dish that I've seasoned the chicken, I'm also cooking it in there. This is a great way to save time. Pour your stuff in there, the garlic, the onions, arrange them, and then I'm going to pour a nice glug of olive oil. So festive looking, beautifully bougie, but on a budget.
All right, Christmas chicken, y'all cook and play nice together. It's the holiday season.
The holiday season. Ba-dum-ba-ba. I'm gonna let that cook for about 35 to 45 minutes, maybe an hour. The frozen green beans have rendered out a lot of the liquid. And do we see the char action on these green beans? Oh, love that. Now I'm just gonna add a glug of olive oil. And a little fresh garlic. I love that sound. Ooh, yeah. Of course, I'll add a little salt and pepper to this. But that's it. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. Delicious. The chicken is done. It's a little warm, but doesn't that look delicious and festive? Doesn't look like a budget chicken to me. I've mashed my potatoes. I have some rosemary. I'm going to assemble this. I have the green beans back here. Nicely charred. And let's get to assembling this. Sugar cookies. I didn't think you needed to see me peel potatoes, boil them, and things, but I will tell you what I put into these potatoes. This is all to taste. I will put the ingredients of everything that you see in this video in the description area. If you just press the more area below the video, onion soup mix, some black pepper. Now, the platter that you see there, I thrifted that platter. Actually, it's a 2-piece serving set. I thrifted that about 2 years ago, brand spanking new. I don't remember who makes it. It is stoneware. It's a beautiful pine cone design. I got that whole set with the platter, another platter as well, for $2.50. Bougie on the budget. That's the way I do it. Now, the chicken thighs are so tender. And did you notice that I cooked the chicken in the same platter that I seasoned it in? Effective and efficient. Now, I'm arranging this chicken in a way. You see, I keep dropping the berries and the onions and things, but don't worry, it's gonna look pretty at the end. Arrange the chicken down the middle, and then place the green beans all around the perimeter of the platter. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I had some sound issues. I didn't realize that having my camera close to my coffee pot while the coffee was brewing was going to interfere, and there was a static going like, ugh, it sounded like the movie Signs in here. Anyway, isn't this beautiful? Bougie on a budget. Does this look like a budget meal to you? And you saw how easy that was to put together with easy to find ingredients. I hope you give this a try and let me know. Give me some feedback on it. This is so beautiful. I hate to break it up, but I am going to taste it ahead. You'll see. It's a beauty, isn't it? I'm so proud of this. Sugar cookies, I know you can make this. Make this while it's still cranberry season, which I think it's coming to an end. I know that you can buy frozen cranberries, but for this particular application, fresh is best. I do want to mention that I did wash in a vinegar bath my cranberries just to get any, pesticides or residual. Even if it's organic, I still do that. Try this sugar cookies because it's impressive, it's economical, and you can make this for a big crowd as well. The static struggle was real. What I was saying in this clip was that I was waiting for my husband to finish showering so that we could have dinner together, but I did want to taste this on camera for you. Look at that chicken, how festive and beautiful it looks. The mashed potatoes are delicious. They're creamy. Even though there's a few lumps here and there, but that's okay. We like it that way. We like it that way. The green beans, oh my gosh, they're so delicious. By blistering them in a dry pan and then adding a little bit of olive oil at the end and fresh garlic, I'm telling you, it's delicious. It is slapping. Can you tell? That slapped the back of my brain. Can you tell by my dance? Do you guys do the happy dance when you're eating and you're enjoying your food? I do. And the chicken turned out very tender. I'm very pleased with that. And you don't even need a knife. You just look at that. Get it, girl. Get it, girl. It is absolutely delicious. The Dijon, the jalapeno came through with a little bit of a bite, not too much. Look at that. Look at that perfect bite with the caramelized onions and the cranberries. And then I dropped it. But don't worry, I shoved it back in my mouth. Absolutely delicious. I was having a moment. Sugar cookies, try this recipe out. Like I mentioned before, I will put it in the description and give me some feedback on it. This is going to be a delicious holiday dinner. Make it for 20 people or over. It's easy and economical and it's bougie on a budget, honey. That's the way I do it. What do you think? Not bad, huh? If you like this kind of content and you like this video, smash the subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Psst, post the notification bell. You know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select all this way you don't miss any of my videos. Share the videos. Why? Because it really does help my channel grow, and that is exactly what's going on. My channel is growing and I want to
send you white chocolate kisses from my end of Florida to yours.
donate 1 like, 2 likes if you like. It's for free $99. As I say around here, be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Bye. A chicken thigh dinner that is impressive. I prefer. Shut up. The potatoes are done. I'm gonna assemble it right here.
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.